To perform color sensitivity test on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter Honor Eye Comfort Display, and then we can click on personalized display right here. Scroll down until you find the color sensitivity, and then you'll be able to begin the test right there. Now you will need to meet two different criteria. First one is to perform the test in a well-lit environment, and it cannot be also too much light as the setup won't let you go through it. So I think need to turn off one of the lamps. Then there's a second thing. During the test, the system will temporarily revert all of your display settings to default. Also, it will disable things like eye comfort mode. So let's click on the start right here. And as you can see, it's too bright, so I need to turn off light. If you see any other prompt like the one with mentioning that it's too dark, then you will need to move to the brighter area. And let's start again, and hopefully it will work. It doesn't, so I need to turn off this light as well. Okay, and now we need to drag the color blocks to orange to arrange them in a gradient. So we need to go for the blocks and move them around so that they will be in a kind of a gradient. So in this case, I think it should look like this. Oh, this. I think that's gradient for me. Yep. That's okay. This one also right here. So you need to align it that it goes from the lighter color to more intense color. You should hopefully get it. Then this one, we'll need to move it like this, this, and this. And I think we're good. Then the blue. I think we are good. Then the pink. And numbers in above image, you will need to determine which numbers are visible there. For me, it's 68, 29. And our settings are adjusted. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.